Yeah. What's up? It's a beautifully hot day. We're out here to do some practicing. You know, I was feeling a little out of it. I know Ryan's trying to level up his game.
Need some practice.
And we somehow got a guest star with us today. He probably wouldn't like that I called him a guest star, but we got a guest today. Try to just do the reps, feel locked in, maybe learn some new things, practice some new things. We've got a variety of stuff out here. So we brought 2 curbs from the shop. We set up one right here in the grass for a little like downside action. We brought another one that eventually we may end up doubling up over there. Also, I want to try like slide drop, get a little comfortable on those. Yeah, we got the drop, we got some ramps, we got some bonks. So we're just gonna play and have some fun. I hope you enjoy this video of us having fun. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it right there. You know what? Quick shout out to Landed Footwear. Boom, these have definitely been my favorite one-wheeling shoes that I've had. These are the Elevate, these are new high tops. I don't typically wear high tops, but I've been definitely liking them for trail riding and tricks, just a little bit of more ankle support there. So yeah, check out Landeds if you're looking for some new shoes, but enjoy the video.
Hey, here we are. Sorry, I was doing some special business stuff. Don't worry about it. Dude, they're saying it's 105 today, and guess what? It's about to get hotter. Oh! Come on, Ryan.
Pressure's
Close
on,
it
bro.
out. Yeah! Ryan's got it. You love to see it. You love to see it. It's so
sloppy,
cool
but
seeing
I'll take
Ryan
it.
come along tricking like this. He's getting it. Yeah, boy.
I'll take it.
I'll tempt.
Oh.
Oh.
You gotta tee that up more.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, see.
Oh, I should have just committed on that
what?
one. That was dumb.
Hey,
I was like, yeah, I wonder if this will work. It totally would have worked if I put my feet on it.
You got
That's
that.
sick. Oh. I didn't commit.
Oh.
So we're gonna do a little battle right now. He's gonna go front nose, shove out, right? And
Yeah.
then I'm gonna go back nose, shove out. His is arguably harder because
Personally, I think his is hard.
I'm not locked in on front noses, but this guy is, so.
Back nose shove is harder in my opinion, but
All right,
whatever.
all right.
Let's go. Look, I'm already wound up on the front nose like this. All I gotta do is just, boom,
Okay,
a little bit of that, a little bit of
All right.
that. That's it.
All right.
That's it. Hey, don't want to land it first try. I figured I'd give you a shot, you know.
Oh, no.
Oh!
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Ah,
There.
you're there.
I'm just not committing.
You're close.
Yo!
Oh.
Oh. Not over it.
Come on. Oh no, oh no!
Oh.
A little sketch, but I'll take it. Elijah gets 2 rebuttals.
Oh, I get 2.
2 rebuttals.
That's generous.
Oh! Dude, that was like a pop out.
Sheesh. I'm locking in right now.
Oh, he committed though.
Hey,
Committed,
good
though.
game,
Hey,
good game.
That was a good one.
Good game. We'll go double
All
or
right.
nothing later, man.
All right.
Oh, dude,
Damn.
what?
Oh. I don't felt a little bit more loud this time. Yo.
Oh.
No way.
I swear the tie would be grid.
Oh! We got to wax the heck out of this bottom one.
Definitely.
Yep. I'm out. Sorry. That was
No, you're
little,
good.
bro.
We're right now, you know, we gotta help our little situation right now because our second curb sits a little bit higher than the first curb. So naturally you would just freaking butt up against it and probably get spit out the front. So we're collecting sticks.
Shit.
I don't want them sticking out, you know?
True.
Okay, there we
We
go.
also
That's taller.
we don't want this wobbling too much either, you know?
Oh,
Oh no, you don't need to wax it. Don't wax the bottom one. Like a down to further down. Yeah, that bottom one is way slicker.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Closer to the concrete. Fish.
Yeah.
Ball him up.
Yeah,
Ball him up.
Ball him up.
Okay.
Oh, sketchy. Oh, that was crazy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Whoa. Hey, here, I'm digging this.
yeah.
This is clutch.
Oh man. Whoa.
Oh, wait.
Yeah?
Ah, dang it.
You had?
Dang it.
Ooh.
Yeah. Dude,
There you go. There you go.
Oh.
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 You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Where'd my glasses
Clear the
go?
landing.
Right.
Dude, they ejected. More speed.
Uh,
Oh, damn it.
oh my God. Now I got that fear in me. I got that fear in me now. Ankle biter energy. Oh.
Jeez, dude, tee that thing up.
I know. Oh.
Oh, it bit like 2 seconds too early. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. There we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, to tail. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Damn.
Oh, that
Oh, he was in there.
was looking good. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah! I mean,
Hey!
shit. It's
I
there.
mean,
that was
It's
sliver. You
think
think
they're tiny slides.
Yeah,
They're
yeah,
tiny
yeah,
It
slides.
counts.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
counts.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
good enough.
Yeah. Oh, swang.
Here, I'll tell you what. I'll pinch it right there. There you go.
I feel like I gotta sample this drop. I gotta do-
Sheesh.
Oh.
No way. He just laced it?
Yeah. Oh!
Ouch. Oy.
Get them legs ready. Boink.
There you
Ow,
go.
that
Oh,
hurts
that's
my
it.
foot.
Oof. Hey.
Yup, yup.
Yeah, just land it and then I don't have to do it. That's, dude, I like the way you think, man.
Oh. Definitely just got stuck there.
If you land it, you don't have to do it anymore.
Yeah.
Yup,
Yeah.
yup. Yeah, you got to get a nice pop out the end.
Oh, oh, I don't know. Damn.
Holy sketch. Slapped my shin pretty damn good.
Oh,
Oh my God. Oh! Oh, fucking.
Fuck.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
There it is.
Sheesh.
There it is.
Bink.
Bink.
Oh. Hey.
That was horrible. I don't
Okay.
even know how I stayed on the board.
Okay.
Still counts.
Nose down, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Almost pulled Elijah on that one with like 4 reverts and still saving it. Yeah, it's a weird one. Ouch, those ones hurt.
Well,
That tail's killing you.
whoop. Oh.
Yoo-hoo. There it is.
Oh, sketchy.
When Bobby Boucher pulled up at halftime and helped the Mud Dogs win the Bourbon Bowl, do ya? Oh, is that a fox or a coyote? That's a fox.
Hey.
Or a young coyote.
Where are you seeing it?
I don't feel better.
Like,
Fox death to be all right.
Yeah.
It'll bite you a couple times. You'll get fucked up. You got to go to the hospital.
Better
But
than fighting like a
it's,
box.
You're gonna
it's
win.
going towards him.
hey, don't be scared. Sunday, get the shot.
Oh, homie, you gotta go back that way. I swear it's.
Yeah, he'll go wherever he wants to go. How can you not get stoked on seeing a fox in the middle of the day like this?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Wow, that was clean.
Switch back one.
You got a switchback one?
Yeah.
All right, let's see it.
Woo. Oh. All right. All right. All right. Oh.
Dang, you run battery first, huh? That's the way? Uh-oh.
I just ride the board, Reggie.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
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 Whoa!
Oh. That's all right.
The body bird.
Yep.
There we go.
Yep.
Ah, fuck. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Holy, what the hell? Fuck.
Oh, there we go.
Yo. Oh.
Oh!
Both. That was
There we
both.
go.
Holy smoke.
That was
There we go.
both.
A?
That
You're
was-
running.
Was that an
Dude, that's a smoothie trick right there.
A? Whoa,
Not
whoa.
that time.
Oh.
Oh. Over it. Well. I'm doing too much, I think. That was nice. That
Yeah.
was nice. All right, come on now.
Come on, right?
There you go! All right, do the outro. We're done here. Let's go get smoothies.
I want a smoothie. Yo, thanks for tagging along, joining us at CHP. We had a blast. These dudes are ripping it. It was a lot of fun. Always fun ripping with you boys.
Congrats, man. That was fun.
Thank you.
Yep.
And tag along for the next video, but it's too hot right now. We gotta go get some smoothies.
The next session will be at nighttime.
Or not, you know, in August in Sacramento in the valley. Oh, too much. Cut it. Float on, my friends.